This is the yet-to-be-released Redmi Note 15 Pro plus the new little King Kong. So today, we're not here to show you the appearance, we're here to torture it. At first I wanted to throw it directly from the 11th floor, but then I thought, no, this counts as throwing objects from a height. Then I thought, why not just pour some water on it, put it in the freezer, and freeze it overnight? After all, it's waterproof. But that's not right either. Who uses a phone like that? So, today, we'll simulate some unexpected situations that phones might encounter in daily life.
The first type is accidentally falling from the bedside. What does that mean? Does anyone else sleep like me, lying down playing with the phone plugged into the charger, and then in the morning you wake up and hey, the phone inexplicably fell from the bed to the floor?
I myself often encounter this. So with the Note 15 Pro Plus, we dropped it again and again, and then again, back and forth over a dozen times, and found it had absolutely no issues.
The second scenario is when I'm playing on my phone, playing just fine, and maybe not watching the road. Then I get bumped by a passerby and my phone flies out of my hand. We tried this scenario too and found that it still had no issues.
The third scenario is accidentally dropping the phone while getting in or out of a car. Hey guys, I believe many of you have experienced this. You sit in the car, and because the phone slips out of your pocket before you close the door, the phone slowly slides from your pocket onto the road, right?
Isn't this kind of scenario often encountered? So we also simulated it several times, and the final result is this guy,
Except for a small dent on the frame, the front and back are intact.
At this point, I think you don't need to worry about accidental drops. What about waterproofing? Should we put it under the faucet and rinse it? It seems like normal people wouldn't use a phone like this, but I thought of two scenarios.
First, showering with the phone.
What do you mean? Is there anyone else like me who loves listening to music while showering? Hey, you put your phone on the windowsill and somehow the shower water just splashes on it. But I think normally it might just splash a little. This time, I directly sprayed it for almost 1 full minute, and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus still had no issues at all. The second scenario is placing the phone on the table, buying a drink, and accidentally spilling it, which might be coffee or green tea, right? Then you will still find that it has no issues at all. The above tests are enough to prove that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus can easily handle unexpected situations in our daily life.
Considered very important for its target audience.